at the back of the hive, and there's a really weird sound coming from it. If I put it up here, there's probably not much sound. We're going to test this, see how much noise we have. As I get down to right here, there's a crackly sound coming out of the hive. It's non-stop. And move across, come over on the left-hand side of the back. Over. This is the left-hand side. Here's the middle. Here's the right side. Now I'll go down in that same medium super. This hive has 5 supers on it, and it's got this constant crackling sound. I'm slowly moving down to the bottom. Even pull the pan out, which here's what the pan looks like. One solid mass of small hive beetles. I always come back to this one medium. It's got that noise.